guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. So guys, today I'm here with a new vlog, right? So behind me, as you can see, right, you get a whole lot of different, street foods here. So basically today I'm gonna show you the type of street food, that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? So let's go guys, explore this place. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go explore this place. Let's go guys. Right guys, so here I am. This is the Sialda station, right? As you can see that, our red building there, that's the Sialda station. I'm in an environment like this, and the our food stall is right over here. So let's see what they are selling here. So guys, this is the chicken lollipop, right Dada? It's a chicken lollipop, right? And this one, eta ki?
Kebab, chicken kebab.
Okay, so basically guys, they put this in this roll here, right? So they make this roll. They're gonna put the stuffing in the roll, so you can have chicken roll. So right now, this brother is making chicken momo, right?
Chicken momo.
Chicken momo. Okay, look guys. So hello Dada, kero machan apni? Okay, so he's fine guys. Okay, and look guys, the way they make chicken momo here on the street of Kolkata, right?
Chicken momo dada.
Look guys, so basically he has this dough here, and he flattens the dough there, and he puts the stuffing inside like that. So this is the authentic street food that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right guys? Yeah, look. So once this pan is all filled up, they're gonna steam this, right? So you see this boiling soup here. So they're gonna put that here and they're gonna steam the momo, right? So let's go guys. So they have the chicken lollipop here and the chicken, and this is the veg roll. Dada, it's a veg roll too? Okay, so guys, this one is the egg roll. And if you want chicken roll, so what they do is they put the chicken inside and they're gonna make the chicken roll as well. So this brother here is making biryani, right brother? Look guys. So this is the chicken biryani ki? Right, right. Chicken biryani. It's crazy, look guys. And just look at this massive, baked pot that they make the biryani in this one. So I'm in an environment called Sialda station, and the shop looks like this, right? And this is the busy area, like where I am right now. It's crazy guys. And they even sell fruits. If you want fruits here, this is some sort of a grapes. Eta angur to. Eta kon angur? Konta?
Australia.
Oh, guys, this is the Australian grapes. Just look at it. This is the Australian grapes. That's the dragon fruit. And that's the green apple there, right? And the environment looks like this. That's the flyover, right? As you can see, the bus are crossing. Okay. Right. So, brother, what are the items you guys sell over here? আপনারা কি এখানে বিক্রি করেন?
Roll, chowmein, lollipop.
Okay, roll, chowmein, lollipop, biryani, fish fry, fish finger, Mughlai, and all this thing, right? So, guys, they sell whole different kind of street foods here. 10 রকম item হবে. Okay, so guys, they sell 10 different items here, right? As I told you, right?
No, I'm keep the while.
Okay, cool. He was cracking some jokes, so they all are laughing here. So it's nice. Look, guys. This is the crowded area over here, right? That's the Sialda station there. And this is the Sialda metro. And that red building, as you can see, that's the Sialda station there. As you can see, the time is 12:01. That's the Sialda station, guys, and it's crazy. So right now, you don't see much crowd here, right? But by the day ends, everything will be finished. So it's crazy, guys. Look. And this is the egg roll that they already made. So anybody wants to come and order, they can order this, right? And they even have rice. Guys, look, this is the fish head. Machar mundi. This is the fish head. And that's the smashed potato, right? This is some sort of a spinach. And that's the rice there. And what is this, brother? Eta ki ache? Can you stir this, please? So guys, this is the machi jhol. Mach means fish, and you see that gravy? It's called the machi jhol in Bengali, right? So that's the fish gravy, and this is the mixed
chicken.
This is the mixed veg, and this one is the chicken curry, right? Right. Okay, cool, brother. Right. So this is how it is, guys. So look, guys, this brother is making the soup over here, right? It is soup ache to dada? Okay. So this brother is making the soup. So আপনারা কি ওটা এর উপর দিয়ে স্টিম করবেন না? Okay, guys, so this brother is making the soup here, right? So as you can see the steamer there, he's making this chicken momo, right? So they're gonna steam that on this boiling soup that they are preparing over here. The souper ভিতরে কি কি দেন, like chicken, egg, right? Vegetable. Okay, right, brother. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you for your time. Okay, so guys, that was me trying to show you the local street food that you get here on the street of Kolkata. I believe you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, you know what to do. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next vlog. It's your friend John. Let's make memories, love, peace. Bye, guys. Look, guys, the biryani is ready. That's how they serve it, right? They put this umbrella here, right? And this is the massive biryani I just showed you. So thank you for watching the vlog, guys. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.